We have Khushbu here. Again, a life coach and a Ho'oponopono healer going in.
Thank you so much, Leena ma'am, for introducing me. So, by profession, I am a HR head, and by passion, I am a life coach and a healer. And these 2 hours will be less, and it will be only me if I now, tell you about what magic Healy has created in my life. Healy has touched every aspect of my life. It's just not health. It has touched my relationships, my career, and whatnot, and including health. So it is a magic, really a genie, which is there in our hand. And I would like to thanks each one of you who are here and listening to us, who have believed in Healy and who are here in this divine evening. I would like to thanks Renuka, who introduced Healy in my life. I would like to thank Ashwini, Leena ma'am, Vikas ji, for such a beautiful family. I am been working in corporate from past 14 years. And after 14 years, I used to think, where is this world where I see a family or a bunch of people helping each other without any intention? And this is where I found it, when I joined the Healy community, that people are here to help you each and every, step. Today I am going to share two very recent testimony which has happened to me, and both of them are very very special to me. The first thing which is there, which happened to my mom. So my mom is a vertigo patient, and it triggers sometime, and it's very very bad. She's 70-year-old, and she has some or the other health issues, and vertigo is one of them. So I got a call from my father at 4 a.m. We live in the same township but in a different flats. So he called me at 4 a.m. and I that my mom has got this vertigo. I went there, and I just took a Healy White app, which is there in Healy, that it suggests you that for particular problem, which program you can give. So I just wrote vertigo there, and it was showing ear harmony, and I was thinking vertigo ear. And I didn't knew by that time that it's ENT problem, which vertigo is actually into it. Without thinking anything, believing in Healy, I started ear harmony program for her, and I also started giving her a healing through Ho'oponopono. Within 30 minutes was the duration of that ear harmony program, and that was in digital nutrition mixture 1. 35 minutes, the program got over, and I told her, Mom, get up and see if this is coming again. Because, when you have vertigo, you will not be able to stand on your feet. And when I told her to get up, I don't know what made me tell her, when she was telling me she's not able to even, come up like this, and I'm telling her, get up. I was like, Mom, get up. Just see that, if you are able to walk. And to my surprise, she started walking, and she's telling me, yes, I'm fine. I'm walking very nicely. You won't believe the more, I mean, I was more surprised than her. One, one application, one application is fine. Is enough for her. And then, when I was done with this, she came back, and then she's asking me, Khushbu, तुमने क्या किया? बेटा क्या किया तुमने? And I was like, क्या समझाऊं मैं इसको कि मैंने क्या किया? मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं था. It was all Healy which did it. And I was like, Mummy, I have done some healing. She understood that much, and you're fine now. You'll be fine. Just sleep nicely now. You've not slept for the entire night. Sleep now. When I went to office, I was only not believing. Say I have a very logical mind. Intelligent people have this problem, and somewhere I consider myself intelligent. So I was like, Sach mein, Mama is okay. Let me check. I called her afternoon, and she was absolutely fine. Everyone, I'm telling you this with my own experience, that with one application of ear harmony, she was absolutely fine. She came out of that attack of vertigo. So that is a miracle. That was magical, for me. That is one experience which I wanted to share with all of you. And as I told, my entire life is full of testimony of healing now. Relationship, clarity, career, health, everything. The second thing which I wanted to share with all of you, that in Pune the water quality is very very bad. So recently I started suffering from a hair breakage problem. Lot of hair loss, lot of hair fall, and the hairs were breaking. I was like, oh my god, if this continues, maybe in some days, not even a week, I'm going to lose all my hair. ऐसे ही पहले से इतने कम है. I'm going to lose everything. And then it I something I don't know why, when you use Healy, your intention becomes very, very strong. Your intuitions become very, very strong. I got an intuition to use, hair program. So I used two programs continuously for 5 days. And it was magic, the bunch of hairs which are coming in the comb completely disappeared, absolutely disappeared. There was no hair strand in any of my comb. In 5 days, three times, two times I was using that hair program from Beauty and Digital Nutrition से Hair Harmony once. So these three programs I was taking, three IMF programs, and it was sorted. So I'm telling, I don't know, please go ahead, explore Healy as much as you can. Follow the intention and the intuitions. It has, capacity to do more and more. I don't know what all we can do, through this Healy. I have strong belief in it that, it is really, really unbelievable, technology which we have got in our hand now. Thank you so much to the entire Healy team, the founder, Marcus, and the divine, the universe, Ashwini, Leena ma'am, Vikas ji, and if I've not named anyone, and the audience who are listening to us and believing in Healy, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Woohoo! I mean, that was indeed a big one. I mean, the way you covered everything so beautifully. I am